Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will make a bullet that shoots the enemy and the enemy dies. First thing I'm gonna make is not in pencil, just kidding. First thing I'm gonna make is a bullet with the shape of a line. I'm gonna name it a bullet, and in the player I'm gonna make when the mouse is clicked anywhere, it's mouse down, it's gonna just spawn this. First thing I'm gonna make, nothing personal here, create clone of bullet, and then it's just gonna wait some 0.25 seconds. And here I'm gonna make this and this. Why did I just put it? And first thing, hide and show. And first thing it's gonna do is teleport to go to player, this guy, and it's gonna point towards the mouse pointer and forever move 20 steps. And right now it's working, but right now the bullets just back up in here and here and here and here. It's not, it won't disappear because it's on the edge. Right now, if it touches the edge, if it touches the edge, it's gonna delete the clone and nothing. The edge or touching the enemy, or it touches the enemy. Right now, if I touch the enemy, it disappears, and if I touch the edge, it disappears. Right now, if we want the enemy to die, wait for the animation to be a bit clear, I'm gonna just do this. Right now the animation is a bit good. If I do this, it's gonna be good. Yes, a bit good, not that good. No, gonna let that. No. Nope. And here, just stop it. And here I'm not gonna make any movement, not gonna even move. No, it's in the edge. If it's in the edge, a clear animation, but if it's on the enemy, normal animation, no waiting, no spare. And in the enemy forever, if it touches if it touches the bullet, then it's gonna not disappear. Enemy HP, just bright on, and just set the enemy HP to 3. If it touches the bullet, then it's gonna change the enemy HP by that much. And if the health is less than 1, enemy HP is less than 1, then it's gonna delete this column, and I'm gonna just it's gonna just hide. Just like that. That's a bit more fun. Right now I'm gonna kill the what the heck. Okay, there is some spare. Wait 0.0001 seconds. Right now, yes. Right now he's dead. I'm gonna just make a quick thing for this guy. First I'm gonna make a rectangle, just like this, and I'm gonna fill it up. No, before it's gonna fill up, I'm gonna fill it up with green, and in here I'm gonna fill this place in orange, just like here, orange back. And in here I'm gonna just fill it up with red. Red is for blood. And then it dies. I'm gonna just name these 3, 2, 1, and I'm not gonna use any of these. If it touches the bullet, then it's not gonna it's gonna equals to 0. I'm gonna just make something like this that is not gonna even show up. If the costume name is 0, then it's gonna hide. Just copy and paste. The copy and pasting is it's good. Right now, for to reset the health, just switch costume to 3, and here it's gonna just wait a second. I'm just gonna make this just spread in the health, not save. Subtract from the health costume for the sprite only. The long name and set it to, I forget what I am gonna do with this. Yeah, to why I'm just gonna why I need this variable anyways. Just set the costume -1 minus HP and costume name is gonna what the heck. Oh, or forgot something. Show. Right now if I shoot, what just happened, bruh? It's 2 and 2 minus 1. It's gonna always be first thing. It's 3 and the 2 and the 2 they get 1. But what the heck? What? 1. Come on. Bruh. Okay, second plan. Now you're gonna be with me. If equals 2, bruh, and here equals 1, then just gonna make it 1, and here's gonna be 0. Right now it's gonna work. By my math, yes, it's working. Right now I'm just gonna get this a bit bigger, and I'm gonna just copy it. I don't know why. I'm just gonna copy it. Know why, but and I'm gonna copy this, and this is gonna be a not big boy. I'm gonna like all of this and back. Right now just copy and paste and pasta. Oh my goodness. Just gonna work. Right now I'm gonna just. Is this the third? The third. What the? Right now it's just. I don't know why I'm gonna upgrade it, but here we are. We have the game. We have the game. What the heck? And no, gonna decrease in the cooldown. 0.1 no 0.39, but that's fair. Right now we made a game that we kill enemy, that we can kill enemy, and that we can kill the enemy with. There's a glitch. Enemy and touching and touching red, and here we are. We finished the game that we can kill the reds. That we can kill the red stuff and no green damage thing. Right now we can just kill ourselves. We have this thing that heals us and we can die. Please like and subscribe and share. If you want to see this game, just enter to the description and enter to the first link. Bye.